We challenged ourselves to make a game using nothing but barcode scanners as an input device. It didn't take us long to come up with the perfect game idea for this challenge. A cooperative game about managing a spaceship together. We wanted to make a game that makes the best possible use of the tools we have. And one of the biggest advantages of the barcode scanners is that you can move around in the room, you can run around, you can take the barcode scanners with you. If it all goes right, it's gonna be a little bit like an escape room or like a VR game, just without the escape room and without the VR. We were quite confident in our idea, but would we be able to make it work in just one day? Or do we just... yeah... I'm a magician, woo! After brainstorming, it was very obvious Noah would just take care of the art side of things and I would mostly take care of the programming side of things. Here are some of Noah's first sketches and we're thinking something like that, but maybe in color. We were going for a very weird mix between real life and digital game here. And I guess we started with the real life part of it, so Noah made some sketches, I generated some barcodes to print out. I love it, I love the beep sound. Beep, beep.
Imagine both of us having those beep sounds there.
Oh god. Beep beep. It's gonna be beep beep everywhere. Here's your copy.
Sir, with the barcodes, I'm gonna make it look cool.
Nice. These look pretty nice. So now if I try to scan these, it just doesn't work. Very confusing stuff. But it's not for the reason I expected. Now turns out it's because of this light here. If I turn this light off, it works flawlessly. That's kind of weird, isn't it? So how do the barcode scanners work? The barcode scanners pretty much connect to the PC like a USB keyboard. I mean, literally the PC just thinks it's a keyboard. So whenever you scan something with a barcode scanner, it just types that like a keyboard. All we had to do was putting a text input field into our game and just seeing which words show up in there. And then I ultimately just moved it out of the view, so it's not even visible anymore. It's like really all surprisingly simple. Give it a go, it's fun. Come.
Turn right. Yes, excellent. Excellent. Innovation for you, my friends. Innovation.
Yeah.
These little cars we can design, you know, move them anywhere in the room and make them more or less hard. We've got these cards here.
I like it a lot. Cool. Looks really good.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool. It's good. A good one.
I'm putting Noah in charge of sound creation now.
Yep, so right now we're gonna like drop a little list of the voice lines we'll need to indicate to the players, you know, what might be going wrong with their ship. For example, engine broken. Engine broken. Once I finish voice lines, I'm gonna actually complement those with cool sound effects. So each action that the player performs, you know, it feels juicy. I have finished sound effects. They're all on the USB key. Meanwhile, Jonas is programming away, finishing up the game's main systems.
Oh, screen offline. Ha! And it's back online. Oh no, engine's broken. Find the correct one. Very good. Now let's move on to resources. And then came a point where we had to make a tough call. Noah was out of tasks, he was all done, but the Unity project was not. For a short one-day project like this, would it really make sense to set up a Git repository? Or should we maybe just finish this working on one machine?
Are we next?
Yep. No, this.
Vertex down.
Some weird Git issues, unfortunately. I'm not sure what Git's problem is. I deleted everything. What's your problem, man? Yes, we finally got the Unity project to this computer. And yeah, it's finally opening here as well. Yes! Anyway, we figured it out and it was absolutely the correct call. Noah, with his magic hands, instantly transformed the project into something that looked infinitely better. And he did so in basically no time at all. I don't know how he did it. Just 10 minutes went by and suddenly it all looked way, way, way better. Ooh, oh my god, the juice you can add in such a short amount of time.
It's gonna get better, guys.
Oh, I'm amazed.
John had a really great idea of even sticking one of these QR codes on the backs of the other person, which could add an extra element to, you know, an extra collaboration factor. I'm giving you the fuel.
The energy. Okay, you collect energies.
Thank you for the energy. Collect all mine.
Okay, we're full on energy. Let's rotate.
Okay. Yeah, rotate, rotate, rotate.
Shoot. Fix the engine.
What?
Cannon. Ah, yeah, I can repair that. No worries.
Oh, big enemy.
Big
Okay.
enemy. Big enemy. Wait, where is it? Where is it?
It's there on the table behind you.
Ah, okay. One.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Oh, rotate, rotate.
Rotate.
Okay. No, it doesn't work.
Quick turn. Heal, heal.
This is as good as I imagined.
Really, this is as good as I thought it would be. You know, this is really great. This is really great, man. Yeah.
Ooh, lots of enemies coming in.
It's coming in. What we don't need now is an engine broken. Okay, kind of broken a little. Okay. 1, 2, 3, big shot.
Oh, we're getting good, man.
We're getting good.
Shoot, 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 fire, fire.
Ah, shit.
Screen?
Screen, 1, 2, 3.
Holy hell, the screen is annoying.
Move.
Okay, yeah, just repair the screen. We're gonna go till we're out of health.
Yeah. Rotate.
Shield, shield. Big shot, big shot.
Okay, big shot. Engine broken, engine's broken.
Oh no. Hey, no, it's on your side. I scanned all of them.
Oh, we're minus 85 health.
Ah, that's why.
Okay. That was fantastic.
Click here or in the description to watch the other parts of this little mini-series. There is a full playlist. We made a board game, turned ourselves into boss fights, and even went into the forest to make games with nothing but sticks and stones. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe both to Blackthorn Prod as well as me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!